How to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issues on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if your network name, that is SSID, is missing or not showing in your Wi-Fi settings, don't worry. Here's how you can fix it. First, you can easily reset network settings. To do that, launch settings applications on your device. Then you need to proceed by tapping on the search bar. Type in reset and list of reset will appear, including reset network settings. You can easily tap on reset network settings from the list. Then you need to choose the first option of reset network settings. Verify your identity and then confirm selecting reset network settings. Then you'll be required to restart your phone and try connecting again. The second solution is you need to enable Wi-Fi throttling in developer options. Open settings again, then you have to navigate to the additional settings at bottom of your screen. Scroll to the bottom and select developer options, and you need to find out Wi-Fi throttling option on this page. So simply you need to turn on the button, and if developer option is not enabled, you can easily go to the phone settings and then tap about phone and tap build number 7 times to enable it. Now restart your phone and router and try again. So lastly, you can easily power off and restart your Wi-Fi router, and if the issue persists, reset the router to factory settings. So following this all the steps, your Wi-Fi name should now appear. If you still face issues, you can drop a comment below. So I hope this guide works, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.